What's up, everyone? Welcome to your it's like 15th or something tutorial on arrays. And the last one was on arrays, but I promised that I would build an application to show you guys why arrays are actually useful, so that's what I'm going to do now. So all you have to do is follow along and open your mind and just learn. So the first thing that I'm going to do is build an array just like last time. Let's put 5 elements in it, and let's go ahead and fill this array with some kind of elements. Let's say the ages of my brothers and sisters, and I don't have 5 brothers and sisters, so we'll go 21 for me, 18, let's say pretend I had one that was 47, another one that was 21, is my twin named Mucky, and another baby sister named 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, the position number for each of these is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can have these any numbers you want, it doesn't matter. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and build a counting variable. And in case you guys don't know, and by in case I mean you guys don't know because I didn't tell you yet, this application is just going to add up all the numbers in the array for us. So we're going to be building a for loop later with a counting variable, so that's why I need that. And the last thing I need is a variable to keep the sum of the total, or pretty much the sum or the total, however you say it. So now that we got our array in 2 variables, one for the counting variable and one to keep the sum, let's go ahead and build a for loop. Now our first condition is I needs to start at 0, and this is because the first position number of this is going to be 0 and it's going to go to 4. So let's go ahead and add our next condition, the maximum. I is less than 5, and we have less than 5 and not equal to 5 because it's always going to be less than 5, which is 4. If we put less than or equal to, it's going to try to get that 5th number, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no 5. It always goes from 0 to 4. Not always, but in this case. And now let's go ahead I plus plus, since we want to just loop it through one at a time. Don't get anything fancy. So let me go ahead and come on, format. Whatever, do this the hard way. So, wow, this is a pain in the butt right now. So next we have to write what we want our program to do. So let's go ahead and take the total, and right now the total is 0. So what we want to add to it is loop through. Let me type. I can't think and type at the same time. And that is our program right there. So what this is going to do is it's going to go, alright, you now have the variable I equals 0. So we're going to take the 0th position number, which is 21, and add it to the total. Next, we're going to loop through when I equals 1. So when I equals 1, we're going to take 18 and add it to the total. So whatever 18 plus 21 is, and that's going to be the total. Next, it's just going to loop through all of that until we get through all of these right here. So just to output something on the screen to prove to you guys that it worked, go ahead and printf. Did I get that right? Yep. Let's go ahead. How are we going to format this? The total number is, and I know I'm spelling everything wrong. I know I spelled number wrong, so don't comment 1,000 times telling me. %d. Let's go ahead and add a new line. No, we won't. Just kidding, sucker. Total. So let me just run this real quick, and then I'll explain to you guys exactly what it did one last time, so you guys aren't totally lost in the dark. So it's going to loop through, and it's going to say the total number is, again, number is 111. That's exactly what we wanted. Now, one last time, let me explain to you guys how exactly this is working. The first thing we did is build an array with 5 elements in it. Now those arrays are listed 0 through 4 just because your computer is weird. The next thing we do is build a counting variable and build a variable to hold the sum of our numbers. We started with the 0th element in our array and looped through until we got the number 4. As you can see, I is less than 5, which is 4. And this is just to loop through it one at a time. We then took each of those elements and added it into the total variable, so it looped through each time, and each time it did, it added a new number to the variable total. And at the end, you guys should know this by now, what we did is simply print out that number. So again, that is one way that you can use a loop to loop through the elements in your array. And this is just to show you guys that array isn't totally useless and you can actually use it for something. So this is a very simple program. I encourage you guys to build this. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you, and make sure to check out my next tutorial.